In this video, we are going to work on the font size of this one. That's what we are going to work on. And also increase the font size. So click here and inspect. Over here, instead of make it 2 RAM, 2 RAM, then click on storage. Then over here, copy everything from here. Go to your public folder, CSS, storage.css. Replace this one with the copy text. So now let's empty the cache. So now what I want us to work on is this one. So when the user choose any of the fonts, the typeface over here must change. So that's what we are going to work on. So click here and inspect. Inspect on this one. Realize that it has an ID of clean underscore font. So copy this one from here. Over here will be dollar document dot. This one will be click. And it will be ampersand, then paste it here in our function. Okay. So copy this one from here. Copy this one from here and paste it here. Then over here will be dash text. And this one will be font family. Dash family. Then remove this one from here. Okay. So now then over here we'll update this one, the font over here. So this one will font to be clean. Then dollar font underscore name dot html will be font. Then this one will the font list will just hide it to font underscore list dot hide. Here will be semicolon. So let's go and test and see. Let's refresh it. Okay, so when I click on this one, okay. So as you can see, because it's still at default, that's clean. So now let's work on the simple, then continue from there. Okay, so now copy this one from here and just paste it here. So this one, let's make it bold. So this one will be bold, and this one will be okay. So now let's go and test this one too. Just refresh it. Okay. So when I click on bold, so as you can see over here, and also the typeface over here will change. Okay. So now let's work on so click here. So now let's work on the simple. The same thing, copy this one from here. Then over here, just paste it here. So this one will be simple font. And here will be simple. Okay. So copy this one again and paste it here. So we have here to be neon font. Then this one to the same thing, neon font. Then here will be India flower. Okay, so now copy this one again, and over here just paste it here. Here will be italic font, italic. Then here will be Roberto. Then here will be italic, which is this one. So now let's empty the cache. Okay. So italic, neon, bold, and simple. Okay. So as you can see over here, the fonts and the typeface over here is changed. That's the font family and stuff. So meaning our logic has worked. So in the next video, we are going to create functionality to upload our story